Rocha. Oh, did we do? Yeah, we must have done that. 18, let me see.
Thirty-sixth District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While courts in session are reading, eating, talking, sleeping, driving of a vehicle. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. This is the people versus George Douglas. Ticket number V123422122. Count 1, no dog license. Ticket number V1234222. Count 1, failed to vaccinate dog. Ticket number V123422322. Count 1, dog at large. And ticket number V123442422. Count 1, vicious animal. Good morning, please say your names to the record.
George Douglas.
Pauline Stroke, on behalf of George Douglas, Your Honor. Today's the date and time set for trial.
Okay, Officer Chandler, can you say your name, please?
Investigator Chandler with Detroit Animal Control, badge 15.
Okay, and good morning, Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
All right, this matter is set for trial. How are we proceeding?
The people are requesting a adjourned trial date. It's my understanding there's some issues that need to be confirmed as far as restitution to the victims. Our victims were not able to attend today, and Officer Chandler has another obligation, so we are not prepared to go to trial right now.
All right, so we'll set this matter for December 8th at 9 o'clock.
Your Honor, I want the file to indicate it's people's request for adjournment.
Thank you, counsel.
I used the wrong stamp, but I scratched it out.
Okay, Mr. George, you're gonna have to come back on that. I think it was December 8th.
Correct. And can you provide him my email address, Mr. Roki, so that we have confirmed that there's a license and I believe shots have been done. However, as to the restitution to the victim, we'd like to confirm receipt of that. And so, Mr. Douglas, I'll give you my email address.
The victim had told the detective that I had paid restitution.
Okay, so we can have some time to hammer that part out.
Okay.
And if you have any receipts, I'll give you my email address.
I got
Why-
cash app. I got printed out cash app transactions that I gave.
Okay, well, yep, I'll give you my email address if you want to take a picture and send them to, via email.
Okay.
She's gonna put it in the chat, so when she gets done, as long as you don't hang up, you'll get a chance to go get a pen and come back.
I got a pen.
Okay, yep.
Okay, there's a chat box on the bottom of your screen, sir. She's gonna put it in there.
Yep, I'm gonna run back to my desk and get that to you, so just hang tight.
Okay, thank you.
And and I'll wait for this matter to be over before I leave. Yep, so just hang tight and I'll chat it to you, Mr. Douglas. Just sit here. The court's probably gonna move on to some other matters and I have to go back to my office so I can chat that to you.
And we have more things to make it here, so.
Okay.
I'm
Mr.
not
Petway?
familiar. I'm not familiar with this.
That's okay, just sit tight and I'll get it to you. There's
Okay.
nothing there now because I have to.
Okay, I chatted it to him, Madam Prosecutor, at
Oh, thank you.
horntom@detroitmi.gov.
Okay, I seen it pop up, but I'm not sure how to get to it.
Okay, just write it down, sir.
You're just gonna write
You
it
can
down.
screenshot it
Yeah,
too.
I'm just gonna write it down. Can you give it to me again?
Horn, HORNE,
O-R-N HORNE
TOM
TOM
at DetroitMI.
at
DetroitMI.gov.
And if you have any issues with that, I'll give you my desk number, then you can just call and I'll call you back. It's 313.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, 313
628
628
4239.
4239.
That way, if you need to just call, if you had any issues with the email address.
Thank you very much, because, I want to ask some questions like uppercase, lowercase, but I don't think we have much time.
Oh, yep, yeah, you don't even have to, you can do either way, as long as you got the letters right.
Okay, perfect.
All right, are we ready to go? Are we done with this? I'm sorry.
I think so, Your Honor. I was gonna ask Mr. Petway, we have a investigator Hoskins also here. I can't remember. Set for trial, it might be on the first page, Hoskins.
Okay,
Yes, he's on John Robert.
right.
Is Robert here?
Yeah, he has his license and insurance or something. Oh, no, dog vaccine. He's got his vaccine certificate. That's
Okay,
another
let me
dog
go
thing.
upstairs, because I gotta go into the breakout room, talk to
Okay,
the officer. then-
Mika, everybody that's in the breakout room needs something, all right? I've done
Oh.
everybody we can do, we've done. So those people I need to talk to you on. So when you get up there, that's fine.
Okay, sure enough, on my way.
What about
Thank you.
Royster?
I'm clear to go.
Yes,
Yes, you're all set, Mr. Investigator.
Thank you.
Are we ready on Jasmine Royster?
Yeah, Mr. George, you should be good to go. I
Mr.
mean-
Okay, when is the next court date?
December 8th at 9.
December 8th. 9.
Ms. Royster, turn your video on, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, I'm here.
okay, thank you. I'm good to go.
You're all set. Ms. Royster, turn your video on.
Oh my God.
Okay, you can't be driving while we're on Zoom, ma'am.
I'm not driving.
You're not supposed to be in a moving vehicle.
The car not moving. I just had breakfast.
Okay.
I'm sitting in the car.
Okay, that's fine. You can be in the car. We just need to see your face. All right, this is the people versus Jasmine Royster, ticket number P1352769, count 1. No insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with the attorney.
Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Jasmine Royster.
Ms. Royster,
Jasmine Royster.
We can't see you. Can you put the camera on your?
Jasmine Royster.
Thank you.
I don't like it. I don't want
Your Honor, Ms. Royster did provide a valid insurance. I have it. I can give the date.
That's
it
weird. Do
expires.
what I
Ms.
Um,
Royster, you can't, if you talk, we can't hear her.
want. Okay, sorry. I'm putting it on mute.
It's dated till February 2nd, 2023. I move for dismissal of this matter.
Stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
That Ms. Royster, no one really cares what you look like or how you look as long as you're appropriate. We don't really have a problem with you being in a car, and honestly, we'll forget what you look like as soon as you log off, so it's not that big of a deal now. We just want to make sure that you're actually a person. But you're all set, your matter's been dismissed, good luck to you, you can hang up.
Bye.
So, Your Honor, did you get a chance to look at Infinity Robertson? Because she thinks her
I see that there is one matter that looks like the
Yeah, no,
yeah.
those three highlighted, it was, what's on the docket today. The other stuff is still a fraction.
So
Stuff
she,
that's the
right,
problem.
so there's this one matter, the other stuff looks like there's still an infraction.
Okay, so there's 3 on the docket. Driving while unlicensed, no license, and interfering with a government employee.
Looks like these probably weren't here.
I did the same ones on the docket. When I
Yeah.
highlighted. Right.
They are.
Getting paid.
She thinks that she adjudicated everything.
This was that for, no, this was, okay, so the one from interfering with the government employee, it looks like she did pay, that one has been adjudicated, but it looks like she owes money on it or something. This one is like a review.
I think she probably agrees that she owes money on these tickets. But she's been.
Okay, Judge, while you doing that, could I see who's in the waiting room?
Yeah, sure.
Could I have your name, please, phone caller? Phone caller.
Hello.
Could I have
Yes,
your-
this is Dion Dandy Wilkins. I had a court at 8:30. I've been on Zoom waiting since then. I was calling to try to make sure everything was all right with, and I didn't miss
Hold
nothing
on. And
No,
your
you're
last,
there.
and your last name is Dandy?
DIE-WILKINS.
Die is your last name, DIE?
DANDIE
Okay,
hyphen.
okay.
Yeah, I have two last names.
Shoot, she done posted about $300 worth of it.
Is Dandy what? Because I don't even have you on my list. Oh, I got,
Dandy
Mr. Wilkins, your first name is Dion. I signed you
Yes.
earlier. What happened? Why did you disconnect?
I'm still on here right now. I'm not disconnected.
What? Let me
I've
check.
been on here since 8 o'clock this morning.
Wait a minute, hold on, because I have to.
I'm in room
13745.
Room.
13741.
I was talking to you, then you had said you was gonna put me in some room, then I've been in here since then.
Okay, I don't, so why, so you're on two devices?
Yeah, I'm on two devices because
Okay,
I've been like
well, stay in room 6, and I'm gonna tell Mr. Broken, the attorney, to come in there and speak with you right now. I'm gonna tell her, she's
okay.
somebody else, but I'm gonna tell her, when she get finished talking to that person, come in there with you.
Okay.
Okay, just go back. Stay in room 6, just disconnect from the phone. And I'm gonna tell her to go in there and talk to you. Okay.
All right.
Right.
All right.
This one she owes. Let's see, PSP 9613701.
Miss Wilkie, did you talk to Dandy Wilkins?
Are you talking to me?
Yes,
Was that
What's the last name?
Dan, he under 830, DIE-Wilkins.
95 minus 50, 245? Right. So she owed 245.
You know, I talked to them, but they never, I was gonna get, let me see. They were there and I don't think they ever responded to me.
Because he said he just called and said he's just waiting and no one.
He never picked up. He's on a phone. I think anyway.
He's on two devices, and I told him to hang up from the phone and go back, stay in room 6, and that I'll see you in there to talk with you.
All right, let me see what
Mr.
is.
Roki,
Yes.
so for Infinity Robertson, 2 of the cases that are on the docket, she owes money. I'll take off like the late fees and interest or whatever, and it's gonna be a total of $515 that she's gonna owe, and then she still has one ticket here that she needs to still address.
What's it? What is the open ticket?
The drove while unlicensed.
You know, that looks like, it looks like it's count 3. So you probably did count 1 and count 2 and that just got left out.
No, counts 1 and 2 are civil infraction.
Okay, I'll let her know. I'm not. All right. Let me go talk to her. She's been in for a while.
She never dealt with those. Million KPS is signed today. And if your boy Sloan hadn't given me them KPS,
I called the supervisor, she said she's gonna send them down here, pick up that stuff. And get it
yeah,
right.
make them pick it up. Stuff that from a week ago
Mhm.
that I asked them about.